finally I found the set that I wanted, the Dark Knight set, and it's amazing because it comes with everyone I want from the movie. You got the little bat signal there. Now we get to build my favorite car, the Tumbler. It has the best sound of any Batman vehicle. I have other videos on one of the other Batman vehicles, the newest one, and
Well, hello, beautiful.
have available. But there's the Joker. Got a little action coming on later with him. I'm gonna do a little stop motion at the end. Bag number 3. There's Two-Face Harvey Dent. I wish they would have came with his original face and hair. That way you can change him at the end, but you get the after version of Harvey Dent. It's coming along quite nice. Starting to look more like the Tumbler. Alright guys, bag 4. Put the tires on it. It's the flap. The hatch. Comes with the little fire thing for the exhaust as well, which is cool. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Here we go.
A little fight, yeah. I like that.
Thank you guys. That's the set right there. Bye. That's all mine.